What up, YouTube? This is Curtis Olhausen, aka Sir Dumbo, and in today's video, we're going to open up a Pitch Black, a Chaos Rising, another Pitch Black, and then this. Paid $25 for this card, and it's going to go for the master set of Growlithe and Arcanine in JP and English. I'll show you all the card after the opening. Alright, let's start off with some Chaos Rising. Now, I will be doing some magic openings here soon, especially because of the new set, The Hobbit. Great. The Lord of the Rings was a good set, so I want to see what The Hobbit provides. There's the code card, and we'll get right into it. We got a Braixen, a Froakie, a Ferroseed, Watchdog, Skuntank, Deoxys, Prism Tower, Reverse Watchdog, Reverse Metang, and we got a Crobat. So nothing in the first pack. Let's go into one of the Pitch Blacks. And again, we get up to, for every 10 subscribers we get, so we get up to 50, we'll be giving out a pack. And then once we get to 1,000, an ETB of Pokemon 30th anniversary. There's the code card. And let's get right into this pack. We got a Welmer in the Yarn Clay animation, which is cool. I like it. Mandibuzz, a Fomantis, a Mankey, a Heatran, Tremendous Bomb, a Relicanth, Bombardier, reverse, a Bronzong reverse, and a Primarina foil. Striking out. We are striking out on some hits, but that's okay. Alright, go into the next pack of Pitch Black. There's the code card. We got a Bombardier, a Nickit, a Shuppet, a Brion, Backtrack Badge, a Thievul, Heatran, Reverse Shieldon, a Reverse Primeape, and a Lurantis EX, and a Grass Energy. That will be sleeved up. And now, the big score that I got for the master set. Pull that out of the top. We got a Growlithe E-Series all the way back to 2002. There we go, camera focused. One of the last, I do believe this is a Quapolis. Look at that, $25 near mint. And that will go in the binder. Speaking of which, I got the binder next to me. And we're going to open her up to the front page. We're going to remove the Nidoqueen. And we're going to add in the Growlithe. And there we go. There's the start. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a short video, but like, subscribe, share the video, and as always, see you in the next one.